Ever wondered how to unlock the deepest desires of a woman's heart? What if I told you there are hidden weaknesses most women have? Weaknesses so powerful they can make her completely vulnerable to the right man. The truth is, women don't want you to know these secrets. But in this video, I'm revealing 10 of them and showing you exactly how to use them to your advantage. Imagine being the man she thinks about constantly, the one she can't ignore or resist. Stay until the end, because the last weakness I'll share with you is so powerful it could completely change how women see you, and you won't even need to chase them anymore. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Weakness 1. A consistent man. Consistency is like a drug to women. A man who says what he means, shows up when he promises, and doesn't play games is rare. And that rarity is what makes you stand out. Women crave stability because it makes them feel emotionally secure and allows them to trust you without hesitation. But here's the thing. It's not just about being dependable. It's about creating a routine of reliability in everything you do. When a woman feels she can rely on you, she starts to see you as a man she can build her future with. How to use it? Follow through on your promises, no matter how small. For example, if you tell her you'll call at 8 p.m., call at 8 p.m., not 8:15. Show consistency in your values. If you present yourself as a man with high standards, stick to them, even when tempted to compromise. Don't just talk about your plans, execute them. Let your actions show her that you're a man who gets things done. Weakness 2. A confident man. Confidence is magnetic. It's not just about being bold. It's about the energy you bring into every interaction. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude self-assurance because it signals strength, reliability, and leadership. Qualities they can't resist. But remember, confidence isn't arrogance. True confidence comes from knowing your worth and being comfortable in your skin. It's the quiet power of a man who doesn't need to prove himself. How to show it? Walk into a room with your head held high, shoulders back, and a relaxed posture. Your body language speaks volumes. Speak slowly and with clarity. Men who rush their words often come across as unsure of themselves. Be decisive. Whether it's choosing a restaurant or planning a date, show her you can change your mind. Show her you can change your mind. This is what boys want. Well done. Pro tip: practice confidence even when you don't feel it. Fake it until you make it, and soon it'll become second nature. Weakness 3. A man with ambition. Ambition is intoxicating to women. It's not just about having a high-paid job or fancy cars. It's about having purpose. Women are drawn to men who have a vision for their future, who work relentlessly toward their goals, and who refuse to settle for mediocrity. How to show ambition? Share your dreams and goals with her. Let her see the fire in your eyes when you talk about what drives you. For instance, if you're working on starting a business, tell her about your plans and how passionate you are about them. Be proactive in your daily life. Whether it's learning a new skill, working on your fitness, or building a side hustle, let her see that you're always striving for more. Here's the secret. Ambition isn't just attractive, it's contagious. When she sees your drive, it inspires her to dream bigger too. Weakness 4. The bad boy. Every woman loves a little danger. That mysterious, rebellious energy sparks emotions most men can't. But don't misunderstand this. It's not about being rude or disrespectful. Being a bad boy means having a sense of independence and unpredictability that keeps her intrigued. How to master this dynamic? Set boundaries. Don't drop everything for her. Show her that your time is valuable and that you prioritize yourself. Stay unpredictable. Don't reveal everything about yourself at once. Keep an air of mystery so she's always curious about what's next. Be fearless. Whether it's taking risks in your career or standing up for yourself in a conversation, show her that you're not afraid to walk your own path. Weakness 5. Being ignored. Want her to chase you? Ignore her, but do it strategically. Women thrive on attention, and when you withhold it, they often can't help but crave it even more. Ignoring her creates a sense of mystery and competition, which activates her desire to win you over. How to master the art of ignoring. Don't text her back immediately. Let her wonder about your schedule. Show her you're busy building your own life. Whether it's hitting the gym, working on your side hustle, or hanging out with friends, the trick is to balance this with moments of warmth. Ignore her just enough to make her value your attention when she gets it. Weakness 6. A well-scented man. This may sound simple, but it's powerful. A man who smells amazing can make a lasting impression that words can't. Women are biologically wired to respond to scent. It's tied to attraction on a primal level. Here's your game plan. Invest in a high-quality cologne that matches your personality. Find a scent that suits your vibe. Layer your scent. Use body wash, deodorant, and cologne from the same fragrance family for maximum effect. Don't overdo it. A subtle scent leaves her wanting more. When you leave a room, let your scent linger in her memory and watch how often she thinks about you. Weakness 7. A masculine man. Masculinity is more than just physical strength. It's about being emotionally grounded, assertive, and dependable. Women are naturally drawn to men who embody this energy because it makes them feel safe and supported. Ways to amplify your masculinity. Stay calm under pressure. When things get tough, be the man who keeps his cool. Be decisive. Whether it's planning a date or solving a problem, show her that you can take the lead. Develop your body. A fit, healthy physique signals strength and discipline, both traits women admire. Masculinity isn't about dominating others. It's about mastering yourself. Weakness 8. A passionate man. Passion is contagious. When you talk about something you love with excitement, it lights a spark in her too. Passionate men are rare, and women can't help but be drawn to their energy. How to ignite passion. Share your hobbies and goals with her, whether it's photography, sports, or music. Let her see what lights you up. Bring that same passion into your interactions with her. Compliment her sincerely, show enthusiasm during conversations, and make her feel like the center of your world. Now you know these 10 secret weaknesses of women, each one a powerful tool you can use to become the man they can't resist. But remember, it's not about manipulation. It's about understanding what women truly value and becoming the kind of man they respect, desire, and adore. Which of these weaknesses surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel. I've got more powerful insights on relationships, Stoicism, and attraction coming your way, so stay tuned.